Welcome back, ready to learn 10 key English words for the house? Let's jump right in.
Let's start learning. House, house,
Now, repeat after me.
house, house. Door, door,
Let's say that word together.
door, door. Roof, roof,
Let's say that word together.
roof, roof. Window, window,
Can you say it with me?
window, window. Ceiling, ceiling,
Repeat the word.
ceiling, ceiling. Floor, floor,
Can you say it with me?
floor, floor. Wall, wall,
Now, repeat after me.
wall, wall. Staircase, staircase,
Let's say that word together.
staircase, staircase. Balcony, balcony,
Now, repeat after me.
balcony, balcony. Kitchen, kitchen,
Can you say it with me?
kitchen, kitchen.
You're doing amazing. Now, let's go over the words again. What is this?
Window, window.
Do you know what this is?
Door, door.
What is this?
Wall, wall.
What is this?
Roof, roof.
What is this?
Ceiling, ceiling.
Do you know what this is?
House, house.
Do you know what this is?
Floor, floor.
What's the name of this?
Staircase, staircase.
Do you know what this is?
Balcony, balcony.
What is this?
Kitchen, kitchen.
You're doing amazing. Thanks for learning with me. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.